Imagine a typical morning on Earth where life unfolds in its usual, predictable manner. As dawn breaks, the world slowly comes to life. The first blush of sunlight paints the sky with hues of orange and gold. Cities across the globe awaken from their slumber, their skyscrapers standing tall against the backdrop of a fresh, new day. Across the continents, traffic surges like the lifeblood of civilization. Vehicles like cells coursing through veins navigate the intricate web of roads and highways. Airplanes, like majestic birds, take to the skies, leaving trails of white against the azure canvas. The world is in motion, a symphony of life, played out in a million different ways. In the midst of this bustling world, children, the future of our planet, set off for school. Their laughter and chatter, a testament to the enduring spirit of life, echo through the neighborhoods. Amidst all this, the heartbeat of our world remains steady, reliable, a rhythm we've come to take for granted. High above this tableau of life, the International Space Station orbits our planet. Astronauts, the custodians of the cosmos, observe the Earth from their unique vantage point. They watch as continents drift by beneath them, as day turns into night and back into day, a ceaseless cycle of light and darkness. From up there, our world seems serene, peaceful. They observe our planet not as a collection of nations or people, but as a single living entity. They see the Earth as it truly is, a sphere of life spinning in the void of space, a testament to the miracle of existence. Every day the Earth spins on its axis, a dance it has perfected over billions of years. It's a dance that has shaped everything we know, our climates, our seasons, our very perception of day and night. It's a dance we've come to rely on, a dance we've never imagined could stop. But today, something extraordinary is about to happen. Unbeknownst to us, scientists in a space monitoring center detect abnormal changes in Earth's rotation. It starts as a whisper, a murmur of uncertainty. Anomalies surface on computer screens displaying data that defies comprehension. A blip on a radar, a spike in a graph, a fluctuation in the Earth's rotational speed. This is not a drill. This is not a simulation. Astronauts in the International Space Station, suspended between Earth and the cosmos, notice something unusual. A subtle change, a shift in the rhythm of the universe. The Earth, our home, seems to hesitate in its celestial dance. Back on the ground, the tension in the monitoring center escalates. Scientists scramble, their faces etched with concern as they grapple with the unthinkable. Their fingers fly over keyboards, their voices rise in a crescendo of disbelief and apprehension. The world continues to spin, oblivious to the impending catastrophe. But not for long. Then, the impossible happens. The Earth, our home, stops rotating for 5 seconds. The world as we know it comes to a standstill. Inertia, that unseen force that keeps us grounded, suddenly becomes our greatest adversary. The oceans, once held in check by the Earth's spin, defy their boundaries. Their furious might rises in the form of mega tsunamis, colossal walls of water that strike the coastlines with a force beyond comprehension. The air, too, is not immune to the effects. Hurricane-force winds blast across continents, uprooting everything in their path. The sky becomes a chaotic whirlpool of swirling currents, a testament to the atmospheric momentum that once went unnoticed in our daily lives. Down on Earth, the infrastructure that humanity so meticulously built over centuries buckles under the strain. Buildings, those towering symbols of human achievement, collapse as if they were mere houses of cards. Power grids, the lifeblood of our modern civilization, fail one by one, plunging the world into darkness. Our technological marvels, once a source of pride, now lay in ruins, a stark reminder of our vulnerability. And then there's the panic, a global wave of fear and confusion. Millions of people experience the event simultaneously, yet each in their own unique way. The pilots trying desperately to stabilize their aircraft, the drivers struggling to control their sliding vehicles, the families huddling together in their homes, praying for the ordeal to end. It's anarchy, chaos, and terror all rolled into one. The world in its silent rotation had been a symphony of life, but now it's a cacophony of destruction. In the heart of this turmoil, the scientists, those guardians of knowledge, scramble to understand the catastrophe unfolding before them. But even they are left stunned, their screens flashing with impossible data, their theories crumbling under the weight of reality. 5 seconds, that's all it took to change everything. Our home, our Earth, stood still for a mere 5 seconds, and in those fleeting moments, the world as we knew it ceased to exist. But why such devastation in just 5 seconds, you may wonder? Well, let's break it down. Imagine a spinning top. When it's spinning at full speed, it's stable, balanced. But what if you abruptly stop it? The top would wobble, tumble, and crash. The Earth, while infinitely more complex, behaves similarly. It's all about inertia, the property of matter that keeps it moving in a straight line at a constant speed unless acted upon by an outside force. Now picture Earth's atmosphere and oceans. They're spinning along with the Earth at about 1,000 miles per hour. If the Earth stops even for a blink of an eye, the atmosphere and oceans don't. They keep going, creating what we could call a global-sized car crash. That's atmospheric momentum for you. Like a whipped cloth that keeps moving even when you've stopped your arm, our atmosphere would continue its eastward rush. And just like that, hurricane-force winds would sweep across continents. And what about gravity, the force that keeps us grounded? Well, centrifugal force, a byproduct of Earth's rotation, slightly counteracts gravity. If the Earth stops, even momentarily, gravity gets a sudden boost. Everything not bolted down, cars, people, even buildings, would be pulled harder toward the Earth's surface. Now let's talk about the oceans. Water, like everything else, is subject to inertia. So when the Earth stops, the oceans don't. They surge forward, creating unimaginably massive tsunamis that would devastate coastal areas. The combined effect of inertia, atmospheric momentum, gravity, and Earth's rotation is a delicate balance that allows life, as we know it, to exist. Disrupt this balance, even for 5 seconds, and the consequences are catastrophic. Now, we're left to face the aftermath. A world once familiar, now unrecognizable. In the wake of an event that lasted a mere 5 seconds, we find ourselves surveying a landscape transformed by a force unlike any other. The Earth's temporary halt has left its mark, and the aftermath is a testament to the power of our planet's rotation. The coastlines, once serene and beautiful, are now marred by destruction. Mega tsunamis have reshaped the shores, erasing what was once familiar and replacing it with a stark reminder of the ocean's might. Cities that once bustled with life now lie submerged, their vibrancy muted by the onslaught of water. The skyline, once a symbol of human ingenuity, is now obscured by smoke, a signal of the catastrophe that has befallen us. Emergency operations are in full swing, the world's resources mobilized to respond to a crisis of unprecedented scale. The hum of rescue helicopters fills the air, their searchlights piercing the smoke as they scour the wreckage for signs of life. Relief teams navigate through flooded streets, their boats a lifeline for those stranded amidst the chaos. But amidst the devastation, there are glimmers of hope. Survivors, though shaken, are helping each other, their collective strength shining through the darkness. Neighbors, friends, strangers, distinctions blur in the face of adversity, and humanity's innate capacity for compassion and resilience comes to the fore. The aftermath is not just a scene of destruction, but a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity. We see people sharing food, providing shelter, lending a hand, and offering comfort. In the midst of the wreckage, amidst the debris of a world that stopped spinning for 5 seconds, we see the best of what it means to be human. In the face of such devastation, one question remains, a question that lingers in the air, as palpable as the smoke that hangs over our cities. A question that echoes in the hearts of every survivor, every rescuer, every scientist trying to make sense of this event. And that question is, can we recover from this? Can humanity rise again from the ashes of its own making? Could humanity ever recover? It's a question that echoes in the aftermath of such a catastrophic event. Yet, amidst the chaos, the spirit of resilience begins to rise. In the face of unimaginable devastation, the strength of humanity shines. People from all walks of life come together, extending hands of help to their neighbors. The lines that once divided us, borders, languages, cultures, seem insignificant in the face of our shared experience. Emergency responders, those unsung heroes, step up, risking their own lives to save others. Their courage is a beacon of hope in the darkness, a testament to our collective will to survive and rebuild. In labs across the globe, scientists work tirelessly, searching for solutions to stabilize our planet. Their knowledge, our most powerful tool, guides us through these uncharted waters. As the Earth begins to rotate normally again, we are reminded of our planet's resilience and ours. Our ability to adapt, to rally, to endure is our greatest triumph. From the ashes, we rise stronger and more united. We are a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, a testament that even in the face of unimaginable catastrophe, we endure. We rebuild not just our cities, but our lives, our communities. We stand in the rubble of what was once our world, our hands calloused from the work of reconstruction, our hearts heavy with the memories of what was lost. Yet we press on, each brick laid, each life saved, a testament to our shared determination. This catastrophe has fundamentally changed us, but it has not defeated us. We've seen the worst of what nature can throw at us, and we've come out the other side scarred but stronger. We've learned the hard way that we are not invincible, that our world is fragile, but so are we. Yet, it's in this fragility that we find our strength, our courage, our hope. For in the face of adversity, we find our greatest strength.